Okay. Nice cafe. Wow. It looked like Bob Marley.
Bob Marley. Yeah.
Okay. You speak English?
Little bit.
You know the name of this pier?
Bang Bao Pier.
Bang Bao.
Yeah.
Okay. Bang Bao Pier.
Yeah.
Okay. Cup and cap. Thank you. Another one of the places looks like it's devastated by the COVID with no customers. Same old story all over the island. I think they just survived.
5 โมงนะ แล้วก็ขาย
สวัสดีครับ
เขาก็ขายปลีกขายอะไรด้วย
Lots of shops open but no customers. I think we're actually on the pier now. Looking from a distance, I didn't think it was all covered up like this. This is what we wanted. It's a little clinic on the pier. My friend's been bitten by something, not as drastic as a snake, but some insect bites, and kept him up all night itching. So he's come down to the clinic, see if he can find some medicine or something. What a nice little place. And we're right over the other side of the bay. Bang Bao Health. Okay. See, that's the boat for me, look.
100%.
Nice little fishing boat.
And eating, yeah.
Yeah, be cool. You going to live?
อันนี้เป็นยาที่พี่อธิบายให้ฟั
ค่ะ
งอันนี้เป็นแก้
แก้แพ้
เหมือนกัน แต่ว่ากิน1 เม็ดก่อนนอน
ค่ะ
ตัวนี้ทำให้ง่วง
ค่ะ
ส่วนตัวนี้กิน1 เม็ดหลัง
ไปจอดแล้วเซ
เข้า
เว่น
แค่
เขาบอก
แป๊
ว่า
บเดียวเนาะ
ใช่
เซเว่น
แล้วคุณยายคนนั้นเข้ามาด่าเราไงว่าถ้าคุณไม่จ่ายค่าจอดรถคุณต้องเอารถออก
เพราะว่าทุกคนขนาดคนในพื้นที่เขาก็ยังห่วง
Now finished at the doctor's now. The doctor wasn't there, so he took a picture of the bike and give him his medicine, the usual Thai multivitamins, multi-tablets, but only 350 baht, so not so bad. A bit of renovation work going on here. Team. Oh, Tina don't want to come down here, so I'll have to walk alone. I just like to see the boats. Nice boats. But this pier seems to go on for miles. Nice little fishing boat there. Well, it looks like it would have been a nicer place if they'd have had more customers, but nobody. I don't see the boats going out at all with anybody on, diving or snorkeling, day trips, just nothing. I think that's our resort right over there in the distance. I couldn't tell you which one. There's a few sandy beaches over there. I don't think some of these boats have moved for months. It looks like they're all shut up, waiting for the next high season, if it ever comes again. Nearly at the end. It looks like a few nice resorts over on the other side of the bay there. We've seen a little boat come over with a few ladies on, just to eat in the restaurant where we're staying. Stayed there for a couple of hours and then the boat come back and picked them up. No wonder Tina didn't want to walk all the way down here. It's quite a long way. Nice looking boat. and the little lighthouse looking thing at the end. Well, that's it. We're right at the end of the pier now. I'm not going to film going all the way back. I should imagine it's pretty boring filming it all the way up, but some people like to see this stuff.